Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. In our today's study world lecture, we are going to talk about dividing fractions. So in our previous video, we learned how to multiply fractions. If you have missed that video, I am attaching the link on the top so that you can go back and review that video once. How to multiply fractions. Today we are going to talk about when you have two different kinds of fractions, how can you divide them together. So whenever it's about dividing fractions, one thing everybody has to remember is a secret formula that says KCF. 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 Where K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Now, what does it mean? K stands for keep. So I'm going to keep the first fraction exactly the same way. Keep it the way it is. Second word says C, that is change. What do we change? We change the sign of division into multiplication. Keep as it is. C for change division into multiplication. And third one is flip. You flip the third fraction. How do you flip? The bottom goes on the top and the top comes down in bottom. Now the previous video taught us how to multiply 3 times 7 because both of them are numerators. Numerators make together one team. 3 times 7 is 21 and 4 times 1 is 4. Hence, what is the answer? The answer is 21 by 4. This is what you get when you divide 3/4 with 1/7. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so let's take a look at the second question, that is 9/8 divided by 5/4. So once again, the formula is KCF, where K stands for keep. So I'm going to keep my first fraction as it is. Change means changing the division sign to a multiplication sign. And F here stands for flip. The 5 goes in the bottom and the 4 comes back on the top. Now, the numerators make one team. 9 times 4 is 36. And the denominator here makes another team, that is 5 times 8 is 40. So what is our answer? 36 by 40. Whenever we are given two fractions to divide them, the formula that has to be kept in mind is KCF. K means keep the first fraction exactly same. C means change the division sign into a multiplication sign. And F means flip. The second fraction has to be flipped. The bottom, that is the denominator, becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. I hope this concept is completely clear, and I will see you guys next time with a new concept. Till that time, keep practicing dividing and multiplication of fractions. Feel free to drop me a comment if you have a problem, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.